Model, 69-plate Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC 2700 Sportive Cdti body, black, panel van mileage, 32,738 MOT, 7 October 2024 engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PSE6 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Fortunately, the coolant is pressurizing. It still starts and drives brilliantly but probably need to head gasket replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys, electric windows, air con, cruise control, parking sensors EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.